so the first thing I want to say is I'm sorry for the quality of this part of the video. It does get better. I'm using my laptop to record the intro because for whatever reason I always forget to record the intro and I end up packing up my camera and stuff. But it's fine. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different everyday hairstyles that are just a little bit different. So the first hairstyle I'm going to be showing you is a different take on some French braids. So this is what regular French braids look like. And this is the French braids that I'm going to be showing you to do today. So let's get into that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is split the hair in half and then tie one side off. I definitely found it easier to do it one side at a time, so I'm going to start on the right. So all you're going to do is create the shape of half of a heart and kind of use your comb to part that into the hair. Definitely go over it as many times as you need to because it was not an easy shape to get right away. Go ahead and clip or tie or whatever the rest of the hair out of the way and tie off half the heart shape separately. Now move on to the other side using the shape you've already created on the right as a reference for size that you need to part. The only thing I forgot to show was that I used a small elastic tie to tie like the heart shape all together. And now we're going to move on to creating the French braids. So just like a normal French braid, you're going to take a small section from the front, split it into 3 strands, and then braid. And as you go, pick up hair to add to it. Once you get the braid to roughly being in line with the heart section you've created, you're going to pick up a small part of the hair from the heart and add it to the braid. Then braid as normal on the other side. Pick up another small part of the heart, braid as normal, and keep doing this as many times as you want until there's no more heart hair left. Then braid as normal to the end. And this is what it should look like. Alright, so the second hairstyle I'm going to be showing you today is a different take on just a regular bun, high top, but whatever you want to call it, just a bun. This is what I would do for just like a normal bun, and this is what I'm going to be showing you how to do. Okay, so you're going to create kind of a side part in the hair. I always say I know where to part Alethea's hair because her hairline naturally recedes right there, but you can create the part wherever you need to. Once you've done that, create a section on the shorter side of the side part that goes down a little behind the ear. Now you're going to go ahead and tie the rest of the hair out of the way, leaving that side out. So you're going to start creating small sections and tying them off with an elastic, but you're going to join all the sections together. So you're going to add section 1 to section 2 and tie them together. Section 2 and 3 will be joined and tied together, and so on until there's no more parts left. So now we're going to move on to braiding the other side. So you're going to use the section you made on the other side where the elastics are as a reference for how thick you need this part to be, but make sure the section goes a little behind the ear on this side as well. Tie the rest of the hair out the way. Now you're going to braid that section all the way down. Now for the bun, all you need to do is gather all the hair, including the hair from the braid and the elastic sections, and tie them all together with a hair tie. This is what it should look like. So the very last hairstyle I'm going to be showing you today is a different take on some regular everyday pigtails. So this is what I would do for just everyday pigtails, and these are the pigtails that I'm going to be showing you how to do today. Alright, so you're going to start by having the hair parted straight down the middle. This is definitely optional, but I found it easier to start with a straight part and then change it into the zigzag. So you're going to start at the very top of the head, right where the middle part is, and just go back and forth with your comb, creating a zigzag pattern as you go. Go over this as many times as you need to get it looking how you want it. Now tie off both sides with an elastic, and then you can braid both pigtails. If you want to, you can add some of these hair ties or another type of accessory. I definitely feel like it adds a little something extra to the look. And this is what it should look like. I hope you liked this video and that you, I guess, liked the hairstyles that I showed you today. Let me know down below if there are any hairstyles that you want me to show you how to do, like if you've been seeing a hairstyle everywhere, you just don't know how to do it. Let me know in the comments down below, or if there's anything that you just really want to learn as far as how to style natural hair, comment that as well, and I will try to record those videos for you guys. But yeah, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.